How can I check which version of Vim I have installed? I'm running Mac osxsnowleopard. How can I check which version of Vim I have installed? Ideally, I'd like to know a general solution for checking software versions via the command line.
The command. This is pretty standard for all Unix executables.
Or, just if you run Vim already and want to know what you are in right now.
In a terminal run, Vim version, their version number is in the top line of output.
You can also just open a blank Vim document by typing vi or vim in your terminal. The welcome screen will state your version as well as other information.